Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Adé àìlọ́ pẹ̀tù ayé lájà. Ìlú pẹ́ mi lọ́rọ̀ yọ sọ̀rọ̀ ìlú sọ̀rọ̀. Ọkọ̀ lórí sí mọ́ra ṣàwù ọkọ̀ kàbílá lórí. Ìlú pẹ́ mi lọ́rọ̀ ayé lájà. Ọba Kọ́lá wọlé bọ̀ máa wọlé tó ẹ̀mí mọ́. Ọkọ̀ olórí ọlọ́run tó yìí o. Ojú gbogbo owó ní pátápátá tẹ̀gbà lóòrùn sáàyò. Kọ́lá wọlé tó ẹ̀mí mọ́ bàbá. Olórí ẹbí ẹ̀kú kalẹ̀ ó ní ti ẹ̀ ọ̀fọ́rọ́. Ọmọ oyè ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ìbà. Ọmọ ọlọ́kọ̀ọ́lọ́kọ̀ lórí o. Buhari ìlú mi ò lọ́tọ̀ mi àlàyé ojú kalẹ̀ bàbá wa. Ó fún ọ ní ẹ̀kọ́ fún ìṣòro jẹ́ wálé. Ó ní kàdúró náà ní wálé wọ̀ wọ̀.
Ladies and gentlemen, can you go back to the seat? We're going to proceed with the program. Ladies and gentlemen, can you go back to the seat? Please, can you go back to the seat?
I don't want anybody on this podium. Thank you. Yes, we want to continue with the reception. Now that the bride is back in the hospital. And what we are going to do now is the father-daughter dance. Before we allow the king to go over his bride, we would like to let him allow the bride and the father to have the last dance before she leaves. Come and do my dance. Unless you can do it. I'm going to be there. I'm going to tell you what you want to do. Come and see my yóò mọ lọ pátápátá sí ilé ọkọ rẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe fi àṣẹ sí. Mo fẹ́ kí ẹ dìde tọ̀wọ̀tọ̀wọ̀ kí ẹ wá bá Adétẹ́jú kí ẹ wá bá jó ijó ti bàbá àti tòun kó tó pé yóò máa lọ. Father, I pray your indulgence, your entire majesty. An amazing father who loves his children amazingly. I describe him as Babara to Nagomo. I have never seen a father that knows the importance of his children as much as his imperial majesty. And so, Daddy, I bring your indulgence to please step out.
Thank you so much for watching. You want to see more? Click below and subscribe because we drop video every day. And if you have a show coming up, campaign, any kind of event, call us, we'll be there. And we are showing appreciation to our fans. So we are organizing a talent show which will hold on the 3rd of August 2018, which the best performance will be walking away with the cash prize and will be promoted on Boa TV for 2 months. So if you want to participate or need more info about this show, call this number below or check out this banner. Thank you.